Rewarded Play pays you only for playing mobile games, while Swagbucks pays for a wide mix of tasks like surveys, offers, and shopping activity, which makes their earning styles completely different. By the end, you'll know which app is more worth your time, depending on whether you want passive gaming rewards or flexible earning options. Rewarded Play is built around one thing: playing games on your phone. You download a game through the app, play it, and earn points based on your progress. The key detail is that your earnings depend entirely on gameplay time and milestones, so if you don't enjoy mobile games, it stops being useful very quickly. Swagbucks works differently because it spreads earnings across multiple activities. You can complete surveys, try app offers, watch short ads, and sometimes earn through shopping-related cashback. That variety means you are not locked into a single activity, but it also means your results depend on which tasks are available at the time you log in. When it comes to effort, Rewarded Play is more passive. You just open a game and play normally, which makes it feel easier to stick with. Swagbucks requires more decision-making because you have to pick between different earning methods before you start. Speed of earning also feels different in practice. Rewarded Play builds rewards gradually through gameplay, so progress feels steady but slow. Swagbucks can feel faster when higher-value surveys or offers are available, but those opportunities are not always consistent. Another difference is focus. Rewarded Play keeps everything inside gaming, so there is no distraction from other tasks. Swagbucks mixes everything together, which can be good for flexibility, but also makes it easier to waste time browsing instead of earning. Neither app is designed to replace a real income. Both are better seen as small reward systems for spare time, not structured earning platforms. The real difference is how you want to spend that time. If you already play mobile games daily, Rewarded Play fits naturally into your routine. If you prefer switching between different online tasks, Swagbucks gives you more options in one place. The simplest way to choose is to match the app to your habit. Gaming time points you toward Rewarded Play. Mixed online activity points you towards Swagbucks. Rewarded Play is focused and simple. Swagbucks is flexible and broad. The better choice depends on whether you want one clear activity or multiple ways to earn in one app. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more straight comparisons of earning apps and side income tools.